Amos Chibaya, a name synonymous with resilience, a beacon of hope. Today we celebrate his 46 years on Earth, a life marked by unwavering dedication and an unyielding spirit. Amos Chibaya is a testament to the power of the human spirit. His journey, a tapestry woven with threads of struggle and triumph, serves as an inspiration to us all. Through trials and tribulations, he has emerged stronger, his resolve tempered like steel. We gather today to honor his unwavering commitment to his cause, his people, his beliefs. His story is one of courage, of standing firm in the face of adversity, of emerging from the fires of hardship, refined and resolute. Life has tested Amos Chibaya, pushing him to the very edge of endurance. Imprisonment, a cruel attempt to silence his voice, only served to amplify his message. Each day behind bars was a testament to his unyielding spirit. The cold, harsh reality of confinement failed to extinguish the fire that burned within him. Instead, it fueled his determination, forging his spirit in the crucible of hardship. The oppressive weight of injustice could not break him. It only served to strengthen his resolve, tempering his spirit like steel. Persecution became a constant companion, its shadow looming large over Amos Chibaya's life. Yet, he remained unbowed, his commitment to his cause unwavering. Threats and intimidation could not deter him from his path. He stood firm, his loyalty an unbreakable bond. Like a mighty oak weathering a storm, he stood tall, his roots firmly planted in the soil of his beliefs. His unwavering dedication inspired those around him. His courage in the face of danger ignited a spark of hope in the hearts of many. Amos Chibaya's journey is a testament to the power of resilience. Time and again he faced challenges that would have broken a lesser man. Yet he rose above each obstacle, his spirit unbroken. Like a diamond, he emerged from the intense pressure, his character refined and his resolve strengthened. His life is a powerful reminder that adversity can be a catalyst for growth. It is in the face of hardship that our true strength is revealed. Today, we celebrate Amos Chibaya, a man whose spirit has been polished by the trials he has faced. His journey, marked by resilience, dedication, and unwavering loyalty, serves as a beacon of inspiration for us all. Like steel, he has been tempered in the fires of adversity, his character refined and strengthened. His legacy is one of courage, of unwavering commitment, and of the enduring power of the human spirit. May his story continue to inspire us to strive for a better world, to stand firm in our beliefs, and to never give up hope, even in the darkest of times.